Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your PHILIPS Fidelio L4 to the application. So firstly we should pair these headphones with a phone. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android, and also if you have Android, click Pair New Device. After that, press and hold power button to turn on your headphones, and I'm going to press and hold it for 5 seconds, not for 3, to enter print mode. Now click on it at the device list, and then hide the settings. Open the application. Okay. And now we should find this headset, so click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!